आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांच्या नव्या पक्ष स्थापनेची प्रक्रिया चालू आसा। वेंचणुको येवचे आदीं तांच्या पक्षाची घोषणा जातली। आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी तिसवाडीच्या 5 मतदारसंघांनी वेंचणूक लडोवपाचो निर्णय घेतला। आमदार बाबूश स्वता पणजे मतदारसंघांतल्यान वेंचणूक लडयतले। सांत आंद्रेच्यान आदले आमदार सिल्वेरा आमदार बाबूश पॅनेलांतल्यान वेंचणूक लडयतले, अशी माहिती आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांणी दिल्या। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनाली।
Your party has already come up. Is it like before December it would be in place or well?
No, now the process is on. Basically it is a process which we are following. As far as election commission rules are concerned, and a party will be ready before basically elections are declared. And first and foremost, I want to put my party in place. The moment the party is in place, then after the rest, all avenues are always open up. See, I believe, as far as Panjim is concerned, I'm going to contest in Panjim. That I've made myself very clear on that. Now, as far as the alliance or anything is concerned, that we will see as time comes. But if there's alliance or no alliance, but I'm there in Panjim.
You also prefer alliance?
No, I don't prefer alliance. It is not a question I
prefer.
The
party, for your party.
It is not a question I prefer alliance. If like-minded people come together on a common platform and say, okay, instead of splitting any votes, then I feel there's nothing wrong in doing an alliance. But I am not craving for alliance, saying, I'm not begging with someone, come on, please have an alliance with me. I am not bothered about that. I think main important thing is a force should come together. First of all, for force to come together, your mind should meet together. I think different people and different parties have a different mindset. It looks like now, at least as of today, if you are asking me that question, nothing seems to be very clear. No one seems to be blinking first. But I think if they want, I feel as far as if you want to basically defeat the BJP, then you got to come together. I feel each one party individually is not a force, at least in today's time. So they must basically come together, because otherwise also all these divisions of votes are actually from these people who are from the same party, the Congress party. So they have they have basically broken away at some time or the other. See, I am not a leader, to tell you. I have always said I am not a leader. I have got limited capability and capacity. So I am going as per I stretch my leg according to my body. So as far as me taking a lead, see, I am just forming up where my party is concerned. I'm waiting for the party to be formed. Once the party is formed, then I will make a choice what I've got to do. As far as this party is, I believe I've got a hold as far as this party is concerned. There is 5 constituencies are concerned.
Is it only 5, or you're looking at?
No, I have got a 4. I have got a say basically. I can change the equation in these 5 constituencies. That is that is the way how I believe.
Once a party forms, how many seats you would like to contest? Is it only 5 or 10 or what it is?
See, I would not like to say, comment right now how many seats. Suppose tomorrow we are going to have we are going to have an alliance with someone. So then actually that is the time that we will decide on the seat sharing basis. Now if we are not going for alliance, then I think at least my limit will be at least 10. Last time also I met Mr. Digvijay Singh. We met, and basically we had a good talk. But good talk means basically nothing concrete has basically worked out. So that is the reason I am saying. But let the party come. So once the party is there, then basically you are in a position basically to discuss with other parties. See, as far as Goan voters are concerned, it is the delivery of the basically of the candidate of the MLA, whoever has basically in the constituency. Because if you are there in a constituency, so it is what is your connect with the people, that is more important. I don't believe in any party in this, because ultimately it is whatever it is your delivery to the people, it is your connect with the people that matters. I don't believe that in any constituency if I contest I require a party. It is my connect with the people. They basically they are the support, or they are my backbone to the assembly. That is the way how I look at it. So even tomorrow, if I contest in Panjim, I can go alone, and I am sure I can win Panjim alone, because I know I have the support of the people of Panjim. That's the way how I look at it.
This time you would definitely change the calculation in pending ratio.
People will change the calculation. This time people will definitely vote for a change.